Joe goes shopping at cameradactyl.com. Take 5.
Well, I have a boring life. I think I'm gonna go over to Cameradactyl and see what they're doing. Oh, look at all the cool stuff. Well, Ethan sure has a lot of neat stuff. Oh, what's this gold thing here? Oh, this is cool. The Big Tuna film developing reels. Okay, let's look at this. If you have ever had this problem, you're sitting in the kitchen, you have all these recycled metal cans that you are ready to throw out, and you think, there's got to be something I can do with this. Well, there is. You can turn it into a film developing tank. And all you need is the cap and the film reels to load film onto, and you can turn your favorite tuna can into a 35 millimeter developing tank, or the Progresso soup can into a 120 developing tank. I've tried this product, and I have mixed feelings about it, and I'll tell you why. I came from a place of privilege. I've always used Jobo developing reels, and Jobos, I got to know how to use them. I can only do Jobos, right? But if you're used to using stainless steel developing reels, loading film, we have to curl the film and all that, you're a real photographer, not like me. But if you can do stainless steel, then you can do these 3D printed plastic film reels. You load the film from the inside out, and it goes into your soup can or your tuna can. You put on the lid, you have this light trap, pour spout, just like a regular developing tank. And, it helps you be able to upcycle and recycle these otherwise discarded products, and you turn them into film developing tanks. Really, what more could you want? I mean, and also I love the gold color. But check out Cameradactyl cameras. Check out these 3D printed film developing reels that you use metal cans for the tanks. What a great idea. And it really is green. Thanks, Ethan.